Hey all, today we will have integration for Vobiz and Vapi. So, Vobiz is a telephony partner where we will provide you Indian telephony numbers, and with us there are lots and lots of numbers. You can go to our number section, you can go to the region, you can buy a 92 series Gujarat number, Mumbai, NCR, and Delhi, Karnataka, multiple numbers you can buy it. And we will also explore the platform called Vapi. So, Vapi is a platform where you will be making your voice agents. Let's explore Vapi. Okay, this is my Vapi platform. Over here, there are multiple agents which I have created. One of them is Vobiz Assistant. Let's have a talk with our agent.
Hello, I am Vobi. How can I help you?
Hey Vobi, this is Piyush. I wanted to know a little bit about Vobiz.
Hi, Piers. Vobiz helps you build AI voice agents using real phone numbers and ultra low latency calls. You can purchase a phone number in under 5 minutes. Start making.
You see this amazing agent, and I am 100% sure that you are also looking to build something like this and make calls to your customers in real time. Let's get over and start the integration process. We have our documentation page where you will have step-by-step integrations, and it will help you end to end. But don't worry, we will try to integrate in real time right now. Coming to Vapi platform, I will go to more, and let me select on integrations. Coming to integrations, you will see something like SIP trunk. If you don't see it, you can search for SIP trunk. You can see SIP trunk. Yeah, I can select the SIP trunk, add a new SIP trunk, add my configuration. Coming to the SIP trunk page, let's name our platform Vapi and Vobiz. And here are something which we need to pay attention to. Over here, I would require either my IP address or domain. I will add my, let's understand what exactly is the domain. Scrolling slightly down, I will also require username and password, given that it is written optional, but in our use case, we will be requiring it. All these information, we will be extracting it from Vobiz platform. Let's go to Vobiz platform. Coming to Vobiz platform, I would want you to go to the SIP trunks page and create an outbound trunk. Once you create an outbound trunk, Vapi Vobiz, we will need to create a credential list. This is the same credential list which we will be using in the username and password section. Coming to credential list, I will name it Vapi, and let's name the password Vapi@123. So note it down. I have the username as Vapi and password as Vapi@123. Create credential list. Now that I have created a credential list, let me select it out and let me create a trunk. Okay, the trunk has been created. This is my SIP domain, and this is attached to a particular credential list. Let me paste the SIP domain in the Vapi platform, and I have my username as Vapi and I have my password as Vapi@123. Let's try to understand what we have done and what is important. I need the name. I need to make sure that I have selected IP address and domain, and the port is 5060, net mask is 32, outbound protocol is UDP, and you have to only select allow outbound calls. Then you need to make sure that there is username and password. This is for outbound calls only. Okay, save SIP trunk. We have selected and we have saved our SIP trunk, and the SIP trunk name is Vapi and Vobiz. Let's go to the number section. Once we go to the number section, let's create a phone number. Bring your own SIP trunk number. we need to add a particular phone number over here. To get the phone number, you need to head to Vobiz console, go to numbers and DID section, add number. Either you can buy a number or you can select a particular number. So I can select this particular number from my platform, and I will go to Vapi and I'll paste this number. Right now, when it comes to the select credential, Vapi Vobiz, the one which I made right now, Vapi Vobiz, import SIP phone number. The number has been imported. Let's try to make outbound calls with this. What I will do, I will come towards the outbound settings, add my number. Let me select the region, India. Okay, that's my number. Let me select the assistant and let's make a call. And that's the call which I got. Let me answer. Hello.
Hello, I'm Vobi. How can I help you?
Hey Vobi, this is Piyush. How you doing?
Hi, Peter. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you? How can I assist you today?
I am doing good. I wanted to know a little bit about your platform and how you are working.
Absolutely. Vobiz helps you build AI voice agents with real phone numbers and ultra low latency calls. You can purchase a phone number in under 5 minutes and start making calls almost immediately. Our platform integrates easily with various AI stacks, allowing you to.
Got it. So I think you had a very easy setup with Vapi. Now let's try to integrate the inbound call as well. Come on. So coming to our documentation, you will find how to integrate the inbound call as well. So what we will do, we will go to more integrations, SIP trunk, configure new SIP trunk, and Vobiz inbound. Okay. Coming to my IP address and domain. Where do I get that? Last time we used SIP, Vobiz SIP domain, but this time we will need to use our IP address. In our documentation, you will be receiving our IP address, which you need to whitelist. Control V. Then we are using only inbound, so allow inbound. Authentication, password, nothing is needed. Save SIP trunk. That's all from your side. Right? Now, coming to Vobiz platform, for that, please go to SIP trunk section. Over there, we need to create an inbound trunk. Let's name it Vapi inbound. Then, do we need to select a primary URI? Yes, we will need to select primary URI. For that, what we need to do is we created this particular trunk, right? We need the ID of this particular trunk. Can I get it from Vapi platform? No. I will need to go to the API section, API of Vapi, use the Vapi APIs. For this, I will need to use the Vapi APIs and then make a curl request so that I can get the ID of this particular credential. So let me proceed to Vobiz docs. Coming to step 2, let me copy this particular curl. Let me go to an online curl runner. Okay, let me paste it. And we will need to add our Vapi API key. Let me fetch my Vapi API key. API key is, let me copy one and let me paste it. Cool. Let us run this curl and we get multiple IDs, multiple SIP IDs, right? Recently, we created a SIP trunk integration named Vobiz Inbound. We will copy this particular ID. Let me copy it. I have copied it. Now coming to our documentation, right? What we need to do is we need to set the primary URI to Vapi trunk ID, the one which we copied right now, .sip.vapi.ai. Coming to Vobiz console, let's create a new URI, Vapi. Let's name it v.sip. Okay. So this is your ID, .sip.vapi.ai. Transport is UDP. Create the URI and let's select this particular primary URI. Now we need to link a number. Let me link this particular number. Link the number, and yeah, our trunk has been created and the number has been linked. Coming to this number, what I will do is I will set up this particular number in Vapi platform. Coming to phone numbers, create phone numbers, bring your own SIP trunk, save the number, Vobiz Inbound, Vapi, Vobiz, yeah, and let's name it Vapi Vobiz, import SIP trunk number. Cool. Let's set up our agent as well. Vobiz assistant, save it. We are done. Let me make a call.
Hello, I'm Vobi. How can I help you?
Hey Vobi, this is Piyush. How you doing?
I feel like I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you today?
Thank you. That's all. Okay, we made 2 calls. One was an outbound call and one was an inbound call. Let us check the call logs. If I go to my call logs, this was the first call which I made. That was from my agent's number to my number, and the second call from my number to the agent number. Both are connected, both recordings will be available, and that's what we provide you at Vobiz. And this is our complete documentation for Vapi and Vobiz integration. Thank you.